This is day one in creating an EXO cage or a fancy ladder rack for my 2018 F-150. Now this right here is some really high advanced technology we're using, guys. But really it's just a Harbor Freight pipe bender, and the material we're using is that chain link top rail. Pretty easy to come by, and we did no math or any calculations really. We just mocked it up every single time, marked where it needed to bend, and just bent. We used an angle finder tool to help us out every now and then, but look at this, boys. Look at that, man. We are hugging the body of the truck really nice and close, man. Those straight lines are straight and true. Of course, we had to test out functionality here, making sure our front and rear doors can fully open and close without, banging into the thing. Now, I'm not originally wasn't sure how to attach the top part. I was thinking of just welding an X brace up there, notching off the ends and whatnot, and then welding it to my side steps here, since those have bolts and brackets, and that stuff can come off, which is pretty critical. So stay tuned.